nang nagbago. Ang dami nang naglaho.
Marriage is not a word. Remember that. It's a sentence. It's a life sentence. Habang buhay kayong magsasama sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya, sa kabigatian at kaginhawaan.
Ikaw pa rin pinapangarap.
To my love, Tay, may habang buhay. Akalain mo yon pagkatapos ng late night kwentuhan, tawanan, road trips, silly fights kung saan at ano ang kakainin, and quiet moments where just being beside you was enough. We are finally here, standing at the edge of forever.
Pipiliin ko kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Ikaw lang kahit ulit-ulit nandito.
Naalala ko nung araw na unang pagkikita natin. Kinilig ako nun kasi ikaw pa yung unang nag-effort puntahan ako. Rizal, to Bulacan. Isipin mo ang layo nun. Doon pa lang panalo na ako eh. Doon ko din naramdaman yung araw na yon na ikaw na yung pinapanalangin ko kay Lord.
You have been my constant, my confidant, my joy when life feels heavy, and my steady rock when I feel like crumbling. You are the laughter that fills my day, the calm in my storms, and the unexpected adventure I didn't know I was searching for.
Hindi na magbabago. Pangarap, pag-asa, pag-ibig, permanente.
Araw-araw nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na binigay Kanya sa akin. You are the answer to the prayers I didn't even know I was praying. You are the gift I never saw coming, and a living reminder that even after the darkest storm, He still writes beautiful love stories.
Awit ay iginuhit ng langit at araw-araw.
Sa araw-araw, nagigising ako ngayon. Napakaswerte ko na meron akong ikaw na laging sasandalan sa hamon ng buhay. Sabay nating haharapin ang mga pagsubok.
Sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin?
I vow to be your habang buhay, not just in words, not just as a promise, but in every action, every moment, and every breath.
Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin.
I vow to hold your hand in the quiet mornings, to dance with you in the loud evenings, and to cherish every little thing that makes us who we are together.
Wala na akong ihilingin kung hindi magkasama tayo hanggang sa pagtanda. Mahal na mahal kita. Minsan lang ako mag-i-English. I choose you and I'll choose you over and over without pause. Without a doubt in heartbeat, I'll keep choosing you. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hindi ito matatapos sa misang ito, kundi dito lang nag-uumpisa ang buhay ninyong dalawa na bubuuin ninyo. So do not be forgetful.
Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita. Di na ka lang darating.
Thank you for loving me the way you do, for being my safe place, my laughter, my partner, my protector, and now my husband.
nangyari sa'kin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin. Di ko
You are my home, my heart, and the greatest adventure of my life. I can't wait to walk this new life with you, hand in hand, growing stronger in love every day, through every high and low, every joy and challenges. I promise to be always here for you, as your wife, your best friend, and your habang buhay. I love you now and forever. Forever yours, Rock.